Hi, I'm Karen for ExpertVillage. Let's prepare our potatoes and our onion. First, we're going to peel our potatoes. I like to use a paring knife to peel my potatoes. And you can do it like this. I find it's a little quicker, but a lot of people like to use a peeler, so I'll show you also how to use a peeler. You just want to peel off all the skin. Now, if you'd like, you can leave the skin on and make a potato kugel with the skin on, but the traditional way to do it is to peel the potatoes. Here is a nice peeler, and the peels come off very easily. Okay, so last potato. Now, if you have any dark spots or eyes in your potatoes, you want to remove those with the knife. Now, you don't want to peel the potatoes too soon because they will tend to turn brown. If you want to prepare a lot of kugel ahead of time, you may want to put them in a pot of water. But be careful with that because they'll soak up some extra water while you're doing it, and then your kugel might be a little wetter. So it's best to prepare the potatoes and cook the kugel right away. We'll prepare the onion like this. Cut off the top and cut off the root section. And you can even cut it in half and remove that outer brown peel and anything that looks tough. Just take hold of it and peel that back like that. Sometimes you take off a whole layer of the outside. And you can leave that in half like that. Next, we'll be running it through the food processor.